Welcome everyone, let's dive into the latest from OpenAI. Hey tech enthusiasts, exciting news from OpenAI. The ChatGPT app for Windows, once exclusive to paid and educational users, is now open to everyone, including free plan users. Let's break down everything you need to know about this game-changing update. Previously, the app was only accessible to those with a subscription or in education plans. Now, it's available to everyone. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, you can experience the power of ChatGPT directly from your desktop. Now available for free plan users. Segment 2, exciting new features, but that's not all. OpenAI has packed this update with some impressive features to enhance usability. First, webcam integration. This brings a new layer of interactivity to your chats, making communication feel more natural. Next, customizable shortcuts. Now you can streamline your experience and tailor the app to your workflow. And finally, advanced voice mode. It's like having a lifelike conversation with your AI assistant, making ChatGPT feel even more human. Segment 3, what's next? OpenAI isn't stopping here. Future updates will add even more tools and functionalities, ensuring the app keeps evolving to meet your needs. This makes it not just an alternative to the web version, but a serious upgrade. Segment 4, why this matters. By opening the app to everyone, OpenAI is making AI more inclusive and accessible, bridging the gap between casual users and professionals. It's a step toward democratizing AI technology for all. Are you ready to give the ChatGPT app a try? Let us know what feature you're most excited about in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you next time.